Hey everyone, Nate here with Rapid Response, and on today's Shop Tech Tuesday we're here with Ray, one of our install technicians in the shop, and we're going to go over what he's currently working on, the project behind us, which is installing this Dakota body on this cabin chassis truck. We just recently become a dealer for Dakota bodies, which is opening up our portfolio for our clients and what we're able to provide to them. And I'll go ahead and give it to Ray and let him go over what he's working on currently.
I'm just adding some T-Series ions to the back of this from Whalen, just for a nice little warning package for the customer. Wiring up the harness with our custom harnesses we do, because this one may seem some moisture in it. We use some heat shrink butt connectors, and we also color code all of our wiring so that way it's nice and simple in case it comes back in for service work or something, that anybody can work on it and makes it simple for us.
All right, excellent. So making sure we have a lasting product installed here on this vehicle, and again, this Dakota body widening our portfolio for our emergency vehicle installs, and also widening the portfolio for potential commercial vehicles that might come in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.